Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to make the Speedster Bot. Let us see the parts required. We need 2 small C bar, 2 small L bar, 1 medium plate, 3 wheels, a 60T gear, a 36T gear, a DC motor, DPDT switch and connecting cable. So let us do the assembly now. First of all, we will take 2 small C bar and 1 medium plate. Attach the small C bar to the medium plate in this way. Such that the small C bar is connected to the 5th column of the medium plate. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the 5th column and the first hole is connected to the first row of the medium plate. And fix the C bar with the help of nut and bolt. So we have connected the small C bar. Similarly, connect the other one in this way such that there is 1 column gap between the 2 C bars. Now we will connect the small L bars to the C bars. So take a small L bar and attach it to the C bar in this way. So attach the small L bar in this way. So you can insert 2 bolts diagonally here instead of inserting 1 knot at the center. In this way and fix the bolt using nuts. So similarly connect the other L bar in this way. So we have connected the L bars and now we will attach these 2 wheels to the small C bars. For that we will require 1 metal shaft. Insert it through the first hole of the C bar and take it out from the first hole of the other C bar. And now through this shaft insert the wheels. Fix the wheels using Excel now. Similarly fix the other wheel. So we have connected the wheels. Now we will connect the DC motor to the small L bar. Insert the shaft of the motor to the 5th hole of the small L bar. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th hole. And then fix the motor. Now we will attach a 60T gear to the motor shaft. And fix the gear with the help of an Excel rod. So we have fixed the 60T gear and now we will attach a 36T gear. To insert the 36T gear, we will take a metal shaft, insert it through the first hole of the small C bar. Now we will insert the 36T gear through the metal shaft. Make sure that both the gears touches each other. We will insert a spacer in between the wheel and the gear. Now we will insert the wheel, and then we will again insert a axle lock, and then insert the shaft to the hole of the other handbar in this way. And now we will fix the metal shaft from both the sides using the axle lock. If required, you may insert one more spacer here. So we will insert one more spacer and an axle lock. And then insert the metal shaft through the small L bar. Now insert two axle lock on both the sides of the metal shaft to fix it. One on this side, and fix the axle lock using screwdriver, and one on the other side. With this, the assembly of the Speedster is completed, and now we will connect the motor to the switch. Now we will check the output of the Speedster. Thank you.